And welcome to the 8th annual Art in Our Park. This is the AATB Financial Emerging Artists Soundstage. The next group we have is Chrome Roses. And although Chrome Roses is a relatively new band, they have over 20 years of musical experience behind them. Sarah is an accomplished vocalist, pianist, and guitar player who has been studying and performing music for over 8 years. Charlie took up music at the age of 6 and hasn't looked back. She enjoys singing and playing the acoustic guitar. Sawyer is a natural musician and makes playing various instruments look easy. He has an eclectic and creative approach to his craft. They all bring different tastes in music and enjoy blending their ideas together into what is Chrome Roses. Please welcome them.
Thank you very much. Alright, so the first song we're going to perform is one we played all year many times. It's called Fire in the Flood, and it's originally performed by Vance Joy. I was only walking through your neighborhood, saw your light on honey in the cold. I stood anywhere I go, there you are. Anywhere I go, there you are. I've been getting used to waking up with you. I've been getting used to waking up with you. Anywhere I go, there you are. Anywhere I go, there you are. There you are. There you are. You're the fire and the flood. And I always feel you in my blood. Everything is fine when your hand's resting next to mine, next to mine. You're the fire and the flood. Since we met, I feel lightness in my step. You're miles away, but I still feel you. Anywhere I go, there you are. Anywhere I go, there you are. And late at night, when you can't fall asleep, I'll be lying right beside you, counting sheep. Anywhere I go, there you are. You are, there you are. You're the fire and the flood. And I always feel you in my blood. Everything is fine when your hand's resting next to mine, next to mine. You're the fire and the flood. Now listen here, she said, boy, when you know